Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is Saba. My channel is English Literature. It is for those who are beginners in English literature as well as for advanced students. And those who are interested in English literature, they can also consult my channel. Today's topic is about the introduction and history of English literature. So, we will start with the introduction of English literature. And in this, we will know that what does literature means and what is its purpose. So, literature is the reflection of life. It mirrors the society in which it is generated. The word literature comes from the Latin word literatura, meaning writing organized with letters. We classify literature according to language, origin, historical period, genre, and subject matter. History of English literature. We will go through the history of English literature and will learn to know that how does the English literature emerge. So initially literature was a form of entertainment for the people. Over time it attained the purpose of reform as well. The writers started highlighting the social issues in their writing. Thus, it became a medium to draw the audience's attention to certain matters and urge them to think about the reform. From ancient civilizations to a modern era, indeed, all the works of literature have given us insight into the issues and trends prevailing at that time. Literature also provides escape from the grim realities of life, while many people read it to escape from the boredom of their life. Moreover, the higher type of literature helps the readers to escape from the trivial reality into significant reality. Okay, now we will know that what do we study in literature generally. So, English literature emerged with the beginning of the history of English people. It refers to all the literary works, novels, short stories, poems, fiction, non-fiction, and plays composed in English. The earliest works of English literature mirrors the life lived by the English people, by the people. If it's English literature, then English people, but we are generally talking about literature, so people of that region at that specific period. So, literature reflects the life lived by the people of that origin at that specific period. For instance, all the changes undergone by English society from the earliest to the modern time have left their imprints on English literature. Being the literature of a nation characterized by the spirit of determination, adventure, and diligence, English literature is rich in vitality, diversity, and essence. Okay, how does history of English literature initiated? So the history of English literature initiated with the history of the English race and kept on developing with the social development of the nation. When we analyze the history of English literature, we discover that it consists of eight major periods and several ages, which we will discuss in further lectures. So each period or age of English literature is named after the central literary figure or the important rulers of England or certain literary movements. Moreover, each period or phase of English literature has its distinct characteristics. So, it was a slight introduction and history of English literature. And in further lectures, we will explain all the major periods and other elements of English literature. So, hope you all will enjoy it and will get informed about English literature. And also give me your feedback and let me know that what topics do you want me to cover. Okay, Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.